Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. So I have an Ludos Clamor headset in here. Whoops, sorry. Well, headphones actually. So it's really cool box. It's this kind of metal box thing, as you can see. The thing is that I first thought that this is printed, but this is actually a sticker. But on the other side, it's printed. So yeah. Anyway, let's pop this open. It actually made the pop sound. Ooh, look at that, neon green. It comes in different colors, so check in the description. What do we have in here? Ludos. I did a review on Ludos mouse a while ago, but this is a headphone. That mouse was pretty cool actually, so I specifically chose this neon green because I think it's cool. Look at this, this is pretty cool back thing. Try to keep it in the light. Stay in the light. These are the things, you know, for the extra sizes. Not extra sizes. Extra these, what do you call it? Earbuds, I think. How does this open? That's a sticker. Sticky sticker. Now it's around my finger. Ow. Look at this, this also has something on it. Seriously? Where is it going? Now how do I get it out? I know. This is bad design. I don't know why you need this, man. Oh my god, now this got stuck in here. Wait, is that supposed to be, what is this then? What? This is all smushed up. Look at this, man. This is all smushy. What the heck? And these are black. I don't know what's happening in here. This is bad design, guys. This is bad design. Have you even tested this? God, man. Yeah, look at this. It's all smushed up. Like, look how disgusting it looks now. I don't know what's happening in here. Look at this. It's like some toasted marshmallow. It looks terrible now. Yeah, look, it's all ruined, man. Ugh, these are useless, man. But I still have to. I mean, these are useless. I don't know what the heck these are. Hello there, hi there. So we have a control unit in here, which I can see from here. I think that's metal, is it? No, it's not. Plus, minus, pause, play. How's it supposed to work with this? I think it's also hands-free because I can see it's a quad. This thing. The connector, it's like a quad. It's see these black lines? These are separators between the channels. If you know how electricity works, then you understand what I mean. This thing in here is a separator for these two. Kinda a nice feel to the wire. Kinda like this rubbery. It's really cool. I like it. I don't wanna break it. But I think that's all there is, guys. I need to just test it out and then give you some feedback on how good or bad the quality is on this one. This is what I'm going to be using. This is an MP3 player, lossless. So I'm going to stick it in here and then I will give you some feedback on how good or bad this is. So, what do I think of these earphones? The quality is freaking amazing, guys. I forgive them for the mess up. And once I put them in my ear, they now look like they are not messy anymore. So it's just, you know, it shapes a little bit. See, if I push it, see, it kind of like takes the shape. Look. See, it's like a memory foam or whatever you call it. Let me try to show you like this. See? And this, thanks to that, it's actually very freaking comfortable. Like, you can use them as these, just, you know, the AirPods to block the noise out. It's really good. It's really well done, guys. So definitely give thumbs up for that. Also like this Ludos logo, it's pretty cool, man. The reason why I have my phone in here is because this thing works only with compatible devices. See, if I click, I'll show you, I click this in here. See, it goes up and down. And this is play and pause. I think this is also hands-free because it does have like this tiny hole in here. I don't know if you can see it right here, like a tiny hole in there. With this one, it doesn't work, the plus and minus, the volume up and down, because this is an MP3 player, it doesn't support it. But apparently only the supported devices, they do support this, that have this multi-channel thing. So I'm guessing most of the phones do support it. Unfortunately, I can't record the sound with a phone, like, you know, recording from here. I don't even know if it's a microphone. I'm gonna actually check it out in the manual and then let you know. Well, guys, unfortunately, it doesn't say anywhere if it's a hands-free or not. I don't know, guys. I can't test it because I don't use phones, so I can't really make a call and see if it actually works in this one or not. But I don't think it is. I think it's just earphones. Also, I don't know why this is just in German, but I don't get this thing. What is this supposed to be? Like a case with these AirPods? But I didn't get one. All I got is like a bag of nuts in here. So only bad thing I have to say about this is that these ones are really good, the original ones, the default ones, but these ones, I don't know why they are black and they're completely different. Look, these are like the default garbage ones that you get with, you know, cheap earphones and stuff, but these ones, these are actually the best ones I have ever reviewed. I'm talking about these. See, these things. These are the best I have ever reviewed. See, it's like a memory foam, and if you put it in your ear, it seals up really well, which also produces a really good bass. So that's all I can say about this. It's a really good quality, guys. It works really amazingly well. It looked a little bit wonky at the first, but yeah, it's because it's a memory foam. But here you have these cool Ludos Clamor earbud earphones, and I will see ya next time.